Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna finish the second part, let's say like this, from the video that we started yesterday, from the exercise. And it will be this one. In the last tutorial we made the 3D model for this exercise, and now let's go ahead and finish these requirements right here. So first is to draw the given top view. The top view is this one. The front view is this one. So first we'll have to draw this one, and then we'll have to change the front view section to a section view following the cutting plane, this A. Alright, let's go ahead and do these two first because they are easier. So first, after you make the 3D model, you will have to make a drawing out of it. To make a drawing, go to this arrow, go to File, and select from here Make Drawing from Part. First, we'll have to save it, and here we'll have to select the sheet format and size. Let's go ahead and use A3 and press here OK. Right now, we'll have to insert the views that we want to use, and in our exercise is required to make the top view. So let's go ahead and insert the top view. Alright, only this one, press OK. Now if you want to see the hidden lines, click on it and go here on the left and select here hidden lines visible. Alright, now this is it. Now we have made the first requirement, draw the given top view. Alright, now let's go ahead and make the next one. Change the front view to a section view following the cutting plane A. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. It's actually pretty easy. We can go here to drawing, go to section view, and we saw that the plane AA is horizontal, so we'll have to use this cutting line, horizontal, and place it in this center point. Press OK, and now just place the section view. It's as easy as you can see. Now this is the plane, we can see here, this is the cutting line. Alright, after we make this one, we have to make the section BB, which is a little bit harder because it's not as easy as horizontal or vertical ones. It's going first vertical until this intersection here, then horizontal, and then vertical again. So to do this is not impossible, but it's a little bit more complicated. Let's go ahead and try to do this. Alright, so we'll go back to section view, click on it, and then here we'll have to select this one, auxiliary, and let's go ahead and first click once in this center point and then go up until you can see that these two are intersecting. For example, right here. And then click on this one, single offset. Then we'll go to this center point. Then we'll go up here to this midpoint. Now let's press here OK. Select here this one. And let's place this view. Alright, we can see now that it's following the directions that we had on our drawing. Let's take a look. So the direction for this one is like this, and on our drawing is the same. Alright, and here it is. Now this is the tutorial. This is how you can make a drawing from a 3D model. This is how you can make section views. This one was easy because it was only in the horizontal plane. This one was a little bit harder because it was in horizontal and vertical plane. And now if you want to change something about this view, let's say, you just have to click on it and go here on the left, and you can change some of the settings here. You can also change how you can see it. For example, like this, or with the hidden lines visible. But when you have a section view, from what I know, you don't have the hidden lines, so it's better to keep it like this. Now you can also change the scale for this. Now it's using the parent scale, which is the scale of the top view. If you want to change it, just select here custom scale and change it according to your needs. You can make it bigger or smaller or keep it the same. Alright. Now you can do the same for all of these views. And if you want to insert more views, go here on the right at the view palette, and from here select the views that you want to insert. For example, let's take the front one, and let's place it right here. Let's select it and let's make the hidden lines visible. But first okay, so hidden lines visible, just like this. And this is it. Now we also have some isometric views and dimetric, trimetric, all of these other ones like this. This one usually it stays like this with this appearance. Now this is how you can make drawings from your 3D models. So this was the tutorial for today. We fulfilled all of these requirements, which is the top view, the section view for plane AA, and the section view for the direction BB. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.